Hi, I'm Lloyd from Bumstead Bicycles. Wanted to talk to you a minute about a bike we just set up, the Trek 820. This is what you would call an entry-level mountain bike. It is old school 26-inch tires. Trek puts a tire on here that's a good dual-purpose tire. It rolls really smooth on the street, but still has a tread that you can use to go on some dirt roads, light trails. Still uses a traditional V-brake that's been around for years. I know a lot of the newer mountain bikes are coming with disc brakes, but Trek chose to use a V-brake to keep price down, and I've always said I would rather have a V-brake than a cheap disc brake that doesn't work properly. So again, don't worry about the brakes, they work just fine. Has a front shock from Suntour, great to take up those little bumps, works really well. Shimano components on the shifting. On here we're at a steel frame, Shimano cranks, Shimano derailleurs. So again, Trek tries to use a complete Shimano group whenever possible. Again, a lot of companies will cheap out on the freewheel, on the crank, go, oh yeah, we have Shimano derailleur, but then they miss out on the rest. I call this a mountain bike. Most people that buy this, though, don't have the intention of riding in the mountains, but they want a durable bike on the street. So if they jump off the curb, hit something, maybe take it camping and go on some dirt roads or more manicured paths. Not an aggressive mountain bike by any means. But if you're looking for something reasonably priced, you like the style of a mountain bike, maybe just to ride on the street, this would be the bike to go look at. Come in and see us if you're local. If not, check out Trek's website and go to your local dealer and ask about the Trek 820.